Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a free tiny ways in Brookhaven. So if you want that coveted of super tiny ways look in Roblox Brookhaven without spending a single Robux, this is how you can do it. You can just head into the avatar customizations page in Roblox, and in here you can, in the marketplace, you can click on the filter options, this one, and here click on the price range and choose 0 for minimum and maximum option. Click on apply, and now you can just click on the body category, full bodies, or in here avatar, and use this one, the Parker base body. So get it like this, and after that, after you use the Parker base body, you can click on a customize and choose the Parker base body as your avatar. Okay, this one, click on switch, and after that you can just open Brookhaven, open it, and you can customize the avatar again, the Parker base body. You can change the face, the makeup, and everything. You can just go to the avatar editor and find the category. So guys, that's how you can get tiny ways in Brookhaven. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. So I'll see you in the next one.